Hey, Brew and Feed here. I got an idea today to make some bacon, but not just any bacon. I'm gonna do it Brew and Feed style. I'm gonna make some pumpkin pie spice candy bacon. And not only am I gonna make pumpkin pie spice candy bacon, I'm gonna pair it with this pumpkin beer by NoDa Brewing Company called Gordgeous. It's one of my favorite pumpkin beers. So let's go check out this pairing and see what it's working with. Brew strong and feed well. All right, I'm here at Raddell Sausage Shop in Cleveland, Ohio to get the most important ingredient in candy bacon, bacon. They got a lot of it, so let's go check them out and see what they're working with. I'm back from Raddell Sausage Shop and I got the bacon. They make this bacon themselves at Raddell Sausage Shop. While I was there, a friend of mine named Max, who also makes pickles, the name of his company is Pickles Pickles, look him up. He said you should get the Christmas bacon. It's upside down. The Christmas bacon. He said you gotta try this. It's a Christmas spice bacon. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully Christmas beers come out soon, so I can get some of this and try it with, but I'm gonna try it now anyway. So I'm gonna check that out. And he also sold me, he also sold me a Big Billy, which is their world famous, or at least famous in Ohio, maybe world famous sausage sandwich, or you know, whether a hot dog is a sandwich or not is up for debate. But the Big Billy sausage sandwich with sauerkraut and some stadium mustard that I believe they also make. So I'm gonna dig into this for lunch and then I'm gonna go make the candy spice bacon. Okay, I'm here with the pumpkin spice candy bacon. It came out really good. So basically what I did was I took bacon. I took a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, Brew and Feed pumpkin pie spice. I used 1/3 a cup of turbinado sugar. You can use demerara sugar or brown sugar or regular sugar. And I made a mixture with that, put it on a plate, and then I dredged the bacon in it, and then I baked it on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. It wasn't quite done, so I let it go for another 9 to 10 minutes. And then I got this. This is the candied bacon. This is what it looks like. It came out really good. So I'm gonna sample some of the bacon and some of the pumpkin spice beer. So let's dig into this to see what it's like. So it's bacon, which means it's got a little bit of smokiness. It's salty. And because I put pumpkin spice and sugar on it, it's sweet, and it's got that spiciness from pumpkin spice, which has cinnamon, ginger root, cloves, and nutmeg. So it's got that holiday fall spiciness from the pumpkin spice blend. It's sweet from the turbinado sugar. So this is unrefined sugar, so it's got those caramel notes in there. So that's all coming through in here. That's good. So candy spice pumpkin bacon, and wash it down with your favorite pumpkin beer. This happens to be my favorite. Oh, that's good. So it complements because there's a caramelness. The malt that they use in this gives this a caramel-like sweetness. This bacon has a caramel-like sweetness, but it has that saltiness that kind of balances it out. This beer has hops in it, so it's got a little bit of bitterness in it that balances that out. So the combination plays really well together. So I would call that a complementary pairing, where the beers have some similar flavor profiles. This more than likely has pumpkin spice in it. I can taste it. This has pumpkin spice. This has caramel notes. This has caramel notes. And being a beer, and because it's got CO2 in it, or carbonation, that helps wash away some of the flavor of the beer. Carbonation is another not as well recognized component of beer flavor. It adds texture, a little bit of mouthfeel because those bubbles wash all around your tongue, and it helps wash away flavor of food. So this is an excellent pairing. So I highly recommend making some pumpkin spice candied bacon, finding your favorite pumpkin beer, and then all you got to do from there is brew strong and feed well. Cheers.